Hello, my name is Alex Campos. I'm part of the Nude Window here in the Sunshine Coast. We started this company 3 years ago and it's been just fabulous. It's a family company here. We manufacture curtains, soft furnishing, Roman blinds and window furnishing in general. The name for the Nude Window was my husband's idea. It was something that people would remember, something catchy, a little bit of fun in there as well. So if you've got a nude window with nothing in it, and we will dress it for you. That's the concept.
My name is Kim McLaughlin from Dynamic Digital Solutions. We've been a Zoho One partner for 5 years now. We're based on the Sunshine Coast. So when we go in, we like to understand what their strategy is, first of all. It's really important that we focus on that. Sometimes when clients come to us, they only want to focus on your system. And I take them a step back because it's more important for me to understand what their greater goal and vision is.
In this industry, we had so many pieces of software for different parts of the structures of a manufacturing business. The quoting process for something like manufacturing curtains and soft furnishing is quite a complex one.
So you'd have a quote. That quote would need to go through an acceptance stage. Then essentially you'd have to go through an order process and everything would be manual. And you're transferring information that is already collected at the quoting stage now through to the manufacturing stage, then through to the installation stage, but it's all the same information.
Kim and Zoho came along at the beginning of our project. David, my husband, met Kim at a B&A meeting. And when we were struggling with so many softwares, he came with the idea of calling Kim in, trying to explain what she did.
I even had Alex come into my house and she did a quote for me, so I got to experience what it took to really put a quote together. We came up with a questions-based approach so that anyone could really go in and basically quote on a job, because all they really needed to do was measure up the actual window and then essentially answer questions that were specific to that room and to that window. And therein they could prepare the quote on site.
With Zoho One and with the process of quoting, everybody can quote now, because all the questions that are in my head are put in there in the questionnaire. The transition was easy, it was clear, because we made all this by steps. Kim made it very similar to what we had. Even the colors and how navigated and the responses of every click, it was really, really good.
The implementation process for the Nude Window is a stage-by-stage approach. So we decided to start small with CRM system, make sure that that works, and then after that move into basically the next stage. We started with the Zoho CRM system, with Zoho Social, with Zoho Work Drive, with Zoho Forms. And now we've used Zoho Creator to build all of their custom work, and we've implemented all of that within the CRM system. With Zoho Commerce, what will essentially happen is that we'll need to be controlling the inventory as well.
We want to go paperless, we want to do the online shopping, we want to be able to change images and being very user-friendly. With Zoho One, we can dream a little bit bigger, can now visualize our future having only one central software.
So whether you're starting a business, whether you're growing, whether you change any of the elements of your operating process, everything can really be achieved through the Zoho One platform.